unbelievable, the soundtrack on this car. With the sport performance exhaust, this beautiful SVR has only got 20,000 miles. 2016, 65 registration, full service history. Today with live pricing, this car is only 55,990. In the beautiful Estoril Blue, with a full black styling pack on it, and it's got lots of other extras. This is a stunning car, 510 brake horsepower. It's the best performance SUV you can physically buy, and this one looks amazing, everything about it. So first of all, you've got the LED style daytime running lights, full xenon headlights, headlight washers. All the black grills, black badges, the bigger sections in the front bumpers there with them in the SVR. You've got front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, but then this one's got a very expensive, upgraded 23-inch Overfinch alloy wheels. So they're huge then, but the design and the pattern of the wheels also look tremendous. The SVR side air vents, bonnet vents, black mirror caps, sun protection glass and the high gloss black window surrounds. But then for a further £3,000 you get the electric deployable side steps, which look amazing. They do a job, it just finishes the car off. All the extended arch kit is all colour coded, 3-piece kit they call them. Side skirts all colour coded, and then you've got that SVR Super Sports. Them seats are brilliant, super comfortable, but you've got the SVR embossed into the seats. This one's got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, electric seats with memory seats both driver and passenger, Meridian sound system, which is the extra speakers, illuminated entry kick plates. But for me, it's the power, it's the sound, it's the size, and in this case, the way it looks. 20,000 miles, very well looked after, two-tone leather interior. You've got heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back with a full dual zone climate control. That lovely hardback SVR seats again, the extra speakers, just phenomenal car. It is bonkers. Nothing about this car is just, it's not subtle, absolutely not. It just looks mega. Reversing camera system, quad tailpipes, 2 on each side. And you heard the sound at the start of the video, it's immense. Underneath here, you've got a little bit more of a cubby hole, the shelf in the back that pulls across, and the seats do go down 60/40 as well. Automatic tailgate, there is no dents or scratches on the car, it's a very well looked after vehicle. Don't get me wrong, it is still 5 years old, so there will be some stone chips, but other than normal wear, the car's in a very, very good condition, well looked after. Once again, deployable side steps, step in to get in. Electric folding mirrors and sort of electric windows up there. You've got the full digital dash. Like I said before, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, electronic adjustment for the steering column up and down, in and out. Touchscreen media system, which is in navigation, Bluetooth, DB digital radio, and you've also got the reversing camera. Front and rear heated windscreen, the different suspension height adjustments there, the sports exhaust, different drive terrains. It's just full of it, it's got everything. And then the finer finishes like the Alcantara roof lining, sun visors, the same finish. How nice is this? USB, more cubby holes in there. Just bonkers. 55,990, 20,000 miles in the Estoril Blue, full service history, just arrived, isn't going to hang around for too long. My name's Joe, my name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.